Good morning, students. In this video I am going to teach you about transformation of sentences from affirmative to interrogative. Let us begin with simple present tense. To transform the sentence from affirmative to interrogative, the structure is do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object and a question mark. The same rule applies here. With singular subjects, we use does. With plural subjects, we use do. And with subjects I and you, we use do. For example, Sohan plays guitar. In this sentence, Sohan is a singular subject. Hence, to convert it into interrogative, we use does followed by the subject, and the verb plays is replaced by play, which is the base form of verb. So the sentence will be like this. Does Sohan play guitar? Let us see another example. Trees grow fast. Here, trees is a plural subject, so we use do at the beginning of the sentence to convert it into interrogative. Like, do trees grow fast? And a question mark. Let us see in the simple past. To convert the sentences from affirmative to interrogative, the structure is did plus subject plus V1 plus object. For example, he studied in America. Here, the verb studied indicates that the sentence is in past tense, and all the sentences which are in past tense will be converted to interrogative by using did at the beginning of the sentence. As, did he study in America? Here we have to keep in mind that the verbs will be in first form when we convert from affirmative to interrogative. Next example, they played in the park. Again in this sentence, the verb played indicates that the sentence is in past tense. So the interrogative will be, did they play in the park? Now let us see in the simple future tense. The structure is will plus subject plus V1 plus object. The example, he will go to Manali next week. Here, the helping verb will be shifted at the beginning of the sentence to convert it into interrogative. As, will he go to Manali next week? Next example, Dr. Sarla will speak in the conference today. Again, the helping verb will is shifted at the beginning of the sentence to convert it into interrogative. Like, will Dr. Sarla speak in the conference today? Children, sentences with helping verbs does not require do, does or did to change into interrogative. They are converted to interrogative by placing helping verbs at the beginning of the sentence. For example, the servant is honest. To convert it into interrogative, we place helping verb is at the beginning. As, is the servant honest? Another example, they were fantastic in their fields. Again, we place the helping verb were to the beginning of the sentence to change it into interrogative. Like, were they fantastic in their fields? Children, it is compulsory to put a mark of interrogation or a question mark at the end of all interrogative sentences.